Impulse. The impulse is the most common motive wave. An impulse unfolds as 5 waves, and within these 5 waves, wave 1, 3, and 5 themselves subdivide as motive waves. Waves 2 and 4 are corrective patterns, which we shall see later. In an impulse, wave 3, as a rule, has to be longer and is often the longest than either wave 1 or wave 5. Wave 2 corrects the price movement of wave 1 and cannot be longer than wave 1. The third and the most important rule, wave 4 itself cannot share the price territory of wave 1. The impulse can also unfold in a downside direction. An impulse can simply be described as the fastest price movement in the shortest possible time. Impulses normally appear as almost vertical price movement. There are other guidelines that we shall see later. But here, it is important to understand these 3 basic rules.